Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on ADCB or Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in adcb.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. Now from the homepage, click on login at the top right corner and then choose your login portal. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your user ID within the user ID box that you have set up while creating your account, and then type in your password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your ADCB bank account right away. Once you have been logged in, you can simply look for the credit card section and you will find the option to cancel your card within. If you don't find this option, scroll all the way down and underneath Get in Touch, you will see the Call Us button. Go ahead and click on it, and now you have the option to call or write to them. You can choose either one of these options, and if you call them, you can simply let them know that you wish to cancel your credit card. You will then be provided with the response, within which you will find the steps that you can follow in order to cancel your card. And there you have it. That's how you can go about in order to cancel your credit card on ADCB Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.